Here we have the State Highway B road crossing in Etlah, Missouri. It's my first time coming here, and first signal we have a safe tran base. Then we got a safe tran gate mechanism, most likely from the 1970s. When this crossing activates, this gate slams for some reason. Lights, we have 3 pairs of safe tran 12 by 24-inch lights. The main lights are Western Colonnade 2nd Gen LEDs, while the side lights are Electrotech LED lights. Almost said. And the gate is a new stripping with NEG clear LEDs. Grade here is all concrete. Track view west facing towards Herman and Jeff City. Track view west east facing towards New Haven and eventually St. Louis. And here, over here is the second signal. And there's a little creek right there. We have another safe tran base. We have another safe tran gate mechanism. We have newer safe tran lights with GE dotted LEDs, it looks like, in these. On the bell near the signal is also a general signal type 3 electronic bell. And then the gate has the newer striping with NEG clear LEDs. And then there's the emergency information. The dot number is 442770S. And the bell on top of the signal is a GS Type 3 E-bell as well. So here we have the State Highway B grade crossing in Etlah, Missouri. Over and out.